I'm Camelia Terrell. I'm a master cosmetologist and the owner of Envision Salon Spa and Hair and Nails, and today I'm going to walk you through a few curly hair tutorials. To create a loose curl for medium length hair, I take and slightly part the hair using a 1.5 to 2 inch parting. No hairspray. And I just slightly, I hold that hair at a 45-degree angle, and I just create a loose curl. Diagonal partings. And we're going to hold the hair at a 45-degree angle, slightly bending the iron together, and we're just creating a loose curl.